Hey guys, it's me Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're making hibachi vegetables. This is such a super simple side dish, and if you've been to a hibachi steakhouse, this is one of my favorites. I love this with some rice and some noodles, and it is just so good. This can easily serve 2 to 3 people, or I could eat this plate myself. It depends on how you're serving it and what you're serving it with, but this is one of my absolute favorites. It's zucchini, mushrooms, onions, and then we use some soy sauce, sesame seeds, and a little bit of black pepper. And then of course we use a little bit of oil in the pan, but you could also keep it oil-free by using a little bit of broth. Let's go. So now we're gonna start in our pan with a little bit of avocado oil. You could use whatever oil you like, or you could use broth or water if you're oil free. I like to place an onion in the pan just to see if the pan is getting hot enough, and once it's dancing, it's ready. So now I have my sliced zucchini, mushrooms, and onions, and then I'm just gonna place that into my skillet. You can use a little bit bigger of a pan. I probably should have as well, and I'm just going to give that a little bit of a mix and make sure that each piece is kind of touching the bottom. Now you don't want to mix this right away. You want to let it cook for about a minute or two so it gets a little bit of the bottom charred. And then once that happens, you're going to mix it. And you just want to keep an eye on this. I have it on a medium-high heat, but not enough to let it burn, just to get a little bit of color onto those veggies. So just give it a little toss and a shake here and there. And then just make sure you're really watching on it because it can burn really quickly. So I like to keep moving the pan. We cook this for about a total of 5 to 7 minutes, and it depends on how crispy you like your veggies. I like to go for about 7 minutes, but if you like them al dente, you can go for 5. This is perfect for me. Now it's ready for the soy sauce. Now you could use as much as soy sauce as you want. I go for about 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons, but if you'd like it really salty, you can use more if you'd like. I also add in a little bit of crushed black pepper, and then don't forget those sesame seeds. Now I'm just gonna give this another stir, and then it is ready to serve and enjoy. We hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon with another delicious recipe. Bye guys. I'm gonna go eat this.